Hello, dear students. This is a question from 9709 mathematics paper 43 MJ 2025 paper. So, this is from mechanics paper, and here we have um, three masses P, Q, and R. P is having a different mass 25, and Q is having 20, and R is having mass M. And there is connections, okay, with the light inextensible strings. And here we have point B, there is one pulley. Point A, it has one pulley, and there is a point O, okay, where the strings, okay, the connection is meeting at this point. From there I have Q. Okay, so the question is we have to find this mass M and this alpha angle. Okay, and this vertical line and this angle also they have given for this string. So let me start this question. First, we'll start from this point. Okay, so here let me draw the forces which is acting at this point. So one is mg, okay, and in turn we'll be having a tension force T1 here. So since T1 is here, here also I'll be having T1, and in reaction I'll be having T1 here. Okay, and here if you see Q, will be having 200 newtons. Okay, in turn I'll be having one tension force here T2. So in turn, okay, reaction also T2 I'll be having. Similarly here I will be having 250 newtons and tension T3. Okay, here also T3 in reaction to that. Here also I'll be having T3, and in reaction to that I'll be having T3 here. Okay, so I'll be considering P point, Q point, R point, and O point. Okay, so let's do that. So first, okay, let me just go a little up. For P, okay, for P it will be 250, sorry, so 250, and upwards I have T3. Okay, so this is for P, and for point O I'll be having, let's draw the axis, okay, so that you will understand. I'll be having T3 like that, okay, T3 like that, and T2 is towards down, and T1 is with some angle. This is T1, and this angle between T1 and T2 is only alpha. Okay, yes. Next one, I have R. I have R. So for R, it will be mg, that is equal to T1. So for this T1 I can say mg also, no problem. Okay, and one more thing I have, that is Q. Okay, for Q also I'm drawing the free body diagram here. So 200 newtons, in turn one upward force will be there, that is also 200 newtons. So here 3T is also 250 newtons, then only it can be in equilibrium. So now we have got this all the informations. Now for this one we will consider, so T3, this is 30 degrees, right? 30 degrees. So T3 sine 30, the horizontal components I'm taking, that is equal to T1, which is mg sine alpha. Okay, and one more equation we'll be getting, that is T3 cos 30, that is equal to T1, that is mg cos alpha plus T2. These two are vertical forces. Okay, vertical. So this is horizontal, H I'm writing, this is vertical forces. Okay, for that one. So now based on the information we will plug the values. So now we know T3, that is 250 newtons. Let's take this equation 1, this is equation 2. equation 2. So now for T3 I can put 250 sine 30 is I think 1 by 2. Okay, 250 into 1 by 2, m into g is 10 sine alpha, sine alpha. Fine. Now next one, for the second equation it will be 250 and cos 30 will be root 3 by 2, that is equal to m into 10 into cos alpha plus T2 is how much it is, 200, right? So we got from here T2 is 200. So now if I calculate this one here, 250 by 2 divided by 10, so m will be coming as 250 divided by 10 into 2, which is 20, into sine alpha, sine alpha. From here if I do that, m will be coming as 250 root 3 by 2 minus 200, okay, uh, divided by 10 cos alpha. So if I do that, it will be coming as, let me calculate it, 250 root 3 by 2 root 3 by 2, it's coming as 216.5. 216.5 minus 200 is 16.5. 16.5 divided by 10 cos alpha, 10 cos alpha. So now I have two values for m. Let us equate it. Okay, let us equate it. So I can say that 250 divided by 20 into sine alpha, that is equal to 16.5 into 10 into cos of alpha. So sine and cos, let's keep in one side. So sine, I'm bringing that side, cos alpha. So then 250 into 10 divided by 10 is going that side, 20 into 16.5. So this will become tan alpha. This will become tan alpha. So if you solve it, you will be getting alpha value as 84. Let's solve that. So the alpha value is coming as 82.5. 82.5 degrees if you solve this. Next, if you plug the alpha value in any one of the m's equation, the m value will be, okay, m is equals to 250. Let's take the first one itself, 20 into sine of that 82.5. the m will be getting us 12.6 kilograms, or just 12.6 also you can write. Hope this explanation helps you in understanding the concepts. Thank you, students.